Class 3 Subject English Reader Part. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So today I am going to start lesson number 15, When Akbar Met Birbal. When Akbar met Birbal. Okay, first of all we have to read our lesson. Akbar, a famous Mughal king, had 9 jewels in his court. Birbal was one of them. Birbal, because of his smartness, was Akbar's most favorite minister. Favorite means like most, okay? Akbar never took any decision. Decision means निर्णय लेना. DECISION. Decision without his consent. Consent means सहमति, okay? But do you know how Akbar met Birbal first? Do you know how Akbar met Birbal first? Yes, now what? Akbar, a famous Mughal king. Who famous Mughal king? Yes, Akbar. Had 9 jewels in his court. Birbal was one of them. Birbal was one of them. Okay. Birbal, because of his smartness. Why? Because of his smartness was Akbar's most favorite minister. Akbar was favorite minister. So, who was Akbar's favorite minister? Yes, it was Birbal. Okay. Akbar never took any decision without his consent. Akbar never took any decision without his consent. Okay. Who never took any decision without his consent? Yes, Akbar. But do you know how Akbar met Birbal first? We will know now. First, Akbar had a great passion for music, painting. Okay, so what is the meaning of passion? Yes, very strong desire. Very strong desire. But his most favorite passion was hunting. So what is the meaning of hunting? Hunting means शिकार करना. One day he decided to go for a tiger hunt to the jungle. Okay. Whole day he was roaming. Roaming means घूमना. In the jungle in search means ढूंढना. Of a tiger but could not see any. At last the day ended and it started getting dark. Yes, Akbar had a great passion for what? Yes, music and painting. What was music and painting? But his most favorite passion is what? Yes, hunting. So, what is his most favorite passion? Yes, hunting. One day, who decided to go for tiger hunt to jungle? Akbar. Okay. Whole day he was roaming. Who was roaming? Akbar was roaming in the jungle and search of the tiger but could not see any. At last the day ended and it started getting dark. Okay, what it started getting dark. Okay. Akbar and his soldier. Akbar and his soldier had lost their way. Lost means घूमना या भूलना. They were looking for someone to guide them the right way suddenly. So what is the meaning of suddenly? Suddenly means अचानक से. SUDDENLY suddenly. This show a young boy carrying a bundle of stick on his head. Stick on his head. Okay. Yes, what Akbar and his soldier had lost their way. Who lost their way? Yes, Akbar and his soldier. They were looking for someone. Who were looking for someone? Yes, Akbar and his soldier to guide them the right way. What happened suddenly? Suddenly, they saw a young boy. Who showed the young boy? Akbar and his soldier saw a young boy carrying a bundle of stick on his head. Who was carrying a bundle of stick on his head? Yes, the young boy. Okay. Hey you, come here, called the king. The boy came near the king and said, Yes sir. Akbar said, We have lost our way and we are very thirsty. Thirsty means pyasa. Now, can you guide us the way? Sir, my village is nearby. Nearby means pass mein. It has a well too. Come, I will take you there, replied the boy politely. Okay, politely means humble. One of the horse riders took the boy on his horse and they proceeds, okay, toward the village. Soon they reached means pahunchna, to the village. They all quenched. So what is the meaning of quenched? Satisfied thirst. Their thirst. Okay. Yes. Now what? Akbar and his soldier said, "Hey, you come here." Called the Akbar and Akbar. Called the Akbar. The boy came near the king and said, "Yes, sir." Who came near the king? Yes, the boy. And said like this, "Yes, sir." Akbar said, "We have lost our way." Who said like this? Yes. Akbar said, "We have lost our way and we are very thirsty now." Who said like this? Yes, Akbar. Akbar said, "We are very thirsty now. Can you guide us the way?" "Sir, my village is nearby." Who said like this? The boy said, "Sir, my village is nearby. It has a well too. Come, I will take you there," replied the boy politely. One of the horse rider took the boy on his horse and they all proceed toward the village. Okay, now what happened? They all quenched their thirst and procession moved ahead talking the boy. Okay. The procession moved ahead taking the boy to guide them the way further. They reached a square but they did not know which out of the 4 roads would take them to Agra. So they again asked the young boy, "Young man, can you guide us the way?" Way means rasta. Okay. We are confused. As confused means ulajna. CONFUSED, confused. As which road would go to Agra? Hearing this, the young boy started laughing. Laughing means hasna, loudly. He said, "Sir, we all know that roads do not go anywhere. They are steady. So, how can I tell you which road will go to Agra, Mathura or..." Akbar got ferocious. Ferocious means yes, gussa karna. Okay. At once and asked him in rage, "Do you know whom are you talking to?" Okay. Without getting a beat fumbled the boy to ask in loud voice, "And do you know whom are you talking to?" So Akbar again asked the young boy, "Young man, you can guide us the way? We are confused. As which road would go to Agra?" Who said like this? Yes, Akbar and his soldier. Hearing this, the young boy started laughing loudly. Who started laughing loudly? Yes, the young boy. And said, "We all know the roads do not go anywhere. Okay, how can I tell you which road will go to Agra?" Said this boy. Okay, Mathura or Delhi? Akbar got ferocious at once and asked him in rage and said, "Do you know who am I?" Who said like this? Akbar. Without getting at with fumbled, the boy is fumbling to the Akbar. Asked in a loud voice, "And do you know whom you are talking to?" Okay. Akbar was amazed. Okay. Akbar was amazed to see the guts of the small boy. Okay. Throughout their way, the small boy kept interacting boldly with Akbar and his soldier. Akbar was pleased to see a boy with so much daring at such young age. He found the boy very witty. Witty means intelligent. Witty means intelligent and full of fun. As they all reached Agra, Akbar took off his diamond ring and said to boy, "Look at this, it will tell you who am I." The boy at once recognized means pehchana, the royal king. He was speechless. Okay, he was speechless. Speechless means unable to speak. Now he knew that he was standing means khade hona, in front of King Akbar. "What is your name?" asked Akbar. "My name is Mahesh Das." Who said? Akbar said, "Mahesh Das, my dear boy, I like your cleverness." Cleverness means chaturai. Okay, I like your cleverness. When you grow means badna. Up, come and meet means milna. Me and don't forget means bhulna. Don't forget to bring this ring with you. I would love to have a clever person like you as one one of my ministers. Do you know who this boy grew up to be? He was Birbal. He was Birbal. Akbar gave Mahesh the little of Birbal. Those who are witty, they are worthy. Okay. Yes, now what Akbar was amazed to see the guts of small boy. Who was amazed to see the guts of a small boy? Yes, Akbar. Throughout their way, the small boy kept interacting boldly with Akbar and his soldier. Akbar was pleased to see a boy with so much daring at the young age. Okay, he found the boy was very witty. Okay, the young boy was very witty and full of fun. As they all reached Agra, who all reached Agra? Akbar and his soldier and the young boy also. Akbar took off his diamond. Who took off his diamond? Akbar. And said the boy, look at this, it will tell you who am I. The boy at once recognized the royal king. Who recognized the royal king? The boy. He was speechless. What? He was unable to speak. Now he knew that he was standing in front of King Akbar. Okay. And said, what is your name? Asked Akbar. Who said like this? What is your name? Asked Akbar. My name is Mahesh Das. My dear boy, I like your cleverness. Who said? Akbar said, my dear boy, I like your cleverness. When you grow up. Who? When you grow up, come and meet me and don't forget to bring this ring with you. I would love to have a clever person like you as one of the ministers. Do you know who is the boy grew up to be? Yes, he was Birbal. The boy was Birbal and Akbar gave Mahesh the title of Birbal. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.